Welcome to this Grade 8 TLE-ICT lesson based on the MATATAG K to 10 curriculum. In this video, learners will explore the Adobe Photoshop Workspace and become familiar with the basic graphic design tools used to create simple digital designs. Through guided demonstrations and hands-on activities, students will learn how to navigate the Photoshop interface, open and save files, use essential editing tools, and create a simple logo using shapes and text. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to identify the main parts of the Photoshop workspace, open and save image files correctly, use basic Photoshop tools such as Move, Crop, Selection, Retouching, Shape, and Type tools, create a simple logo using basic shapes and text, appreciate the importance of graphic design principles in producing visually appealing projects.